Hello, my people. Now, well done. How is on a place over there? Thank God. The thing I bring this morning is very, very amazing. I want all Nigerian people to be jubilating now because God Almighty, God don't hear our voice and our suffering, our shout, our wahala. You don't reach. How will they shout? They shout. You don't reach. Tinubu hearing. Make we dey jubilate, make we dey thank God. Shey una hear say Tinubu don call Gumi. Say Gumi, enough is enough. I'm ready for all these our terrorists and all these kidnappers. That you that doing shekusheye always. You that doing shekusheye always. You that doing all these things. Shekusheye, you this Gumi. Now it is time for you to go back. Go and warn your people that you are collecting money. Say, let's go and settle them. Let's go and settle them. Let's go and do this. Let's go and do that. Say enough is enough. Say enough is enough. So now we thank God that you Gumi, you will go and tell your useless your people because we know say na you dem dey send. Kidnappers dey send, bandits dey send because of all this rubbish. When you go dey collect money from government, Tinubu go and settle them. Tinubu dem say dem need this, let's go and settle them. It's you that they will send this useless message. To God be that glory. Baba Tinubu don come back to his senses. Say enough is enough. You want to deal with all these kidnappers and bandits. That is why I say make we dey jubilate. Make una jubilate because Baba Tinubu, for him to say he want to face all those people, you know say the tenor. If Baba Tinubu can do this for us in Nigeria, why we say you no do better? If you do that one and you do, everybody go farm safely. Everybody go sleep for a house safely. No more, hey, it's coming, hey. That one will stop. We thank God for that. Make you see the pray, say make Baba Tinubu see all those one. Maybe if you don't do this one, the fuel go come down, go seek for fuel. He will go to that food that is scarce for Nigeria. He will go and do that one too. And he must do it by God's grace. He must God that make Baba Tinubu to have the senses that say you want to stop all this useless insecurity in this Nigeria. God is going to give him to do by God's grace. Now, you say Gumi should do what is needful. Otherwise, in face go bow, in face go tear. He sef go know say Tinubu na him dey the throne. Yes. Because Tinubu don gboro now. Make una not think whether na Tinubu of yesterday. Tinubu don gboro. Then now to face all this it's all those gbogbo àwọn ìbọn, gbogbo àwọn everything. When you go àwọn nǹkan ìjà tó ti sọ pé tó ti store lẹ̀. Bàbá Tinubu fẹ́ kó gbogbo ẹ̀ jáde pé kán face àwọn kinní burúkú yìí. Ọlọ́run á dẹ̀ fún wọn ṣe. Ọlọ́run á fún wọn ṣe o. Àwọn bandits, àwọn kidnappers àtàwọn àwọn tó kù. Wọ́n tiẹ̀ ní gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tó tún back wọn lẹ́yìn. Irú àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan tó jẹ́ pé àwọn èèyàn burúkú tó yìí wà ní Nàìjíríà yìí. Tó wà níjọba ẹ̀ pé gbogbo wọn ló máa flush out. Wọ́n ló máa flush gbogbo wọn. Kẹ́ máa gbàdúrà kó lè júṣe fún Bàbá Tinubu because ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó jẹ́ nǹkan tó tiẹ̀ lágbára pé ṣé Bàbá Tinubu Ṣé wọ́n sùn tẹ́lẹ̀ ni? So wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mọ̀ pé lóòótọ́ wọ́n ń disturb wa. Wọ́n ní láti 15 years la ti ń face gbogbo battle yìí ní Nàìjíríà. Kò yà yín lẹ́nu? Baba Tinubu say yes, he don ready for them. For all this suffer we dey suffer since all this. Thank God o. Make Baba Tinubu make una dey tell am for now, because we don't know who and who go encourage am say make e do this type of arrangement. Whether na God o, we thank God. Whether na im friend people o for Aso Rock o, na only God. All those people who dey chop o, all those who dey chop jegudujera anyhow, make na dem give am that encouragement o. That is why I say God don see us. He go see us through for this Nigeria. For Baba Tinubu to say he want to deal with all these bandits and kidnappers, we thank God say he go do am. There's another thing, make una remember what is going on now. That this fuel matter, make una put am for prayer. This food that's scarce in Nigeria, make una put am in prayer. Because make una remember say Baba Tinubu don start to be seeing all those ones. Most especially this Nigeria that it doesn't have security now. We have to make that prayer by force, by fire. Make God put all those ones for in mind. Tinubu mind, make Tinubu see to all those ones. Because where all those leaders, they call themselves leaders, where are they when all this battle dey? If Baba Tinubu can help us to do all those when he say he want to, he say both all those leaders, this one they call all the only, I don't want to measure them. If I measure them, but Baba Tinubu know what he's going to do with them. He will handle them amicably. All those Baba people that giving the Tinubu advice, bad advice, because the little money they are collecting from Tinubu, they don't want to say the truth. But now, the stories wey don't touch Baba Tinubu, say Baba Tinubu, do this one, all of them, make it go be like cinema. Because na miracle, when God want to do something, na miracle they do. Na miracle go turn out. So, our people, I want all of us to be jubilating, to be putting this Tinubu in prayer, that God should use him according to our wish in this in Nigeria. Make it help us to do that. God Almighty will help Tinubu. Baba Tinubu, Ọlọ́run máa ràn yín lọ́wọ́ o. Agbára Kristi, Ọlọ́run á ràn yín lọ́wọ́. Tẹ́ bá ṣe yẹn, Nàìjíríà náà sọ pé wọ́n ní ẹnu tó sọ pé lọ, ẹni tó tún sọ pé má lọ, ẹni tó tún sọ pé má lọ. Gbogbo ẹ̀ náà yóò come to pass. Ìyanu á ṣẹlẹ̀. Baba Tinubu, Ọlọ́run á ràn yín lọ́wọ́. Ẹ ṣé o, tẹ́ fi gbọ́ tiwa. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, make una dey put am for prayer. Kẹ́ bá wa share, kẹ́ bá wa like, kẹ́ dẹ̀ bá wa pín. Yes, kẹ́ bá wa pín, kẹ́ share. Ọlọ́run á ràn wá lọ́wọ́. Ọwọ́ tẹ́ fi ń ṣe yẹn, agbára Ọlọ́run, ọwọ́ yẹn ò ní rọ̀. Ọlọ́run á ní jẹ́ kí ebi pa wá o. Praise God. Ẹ ṣé gan.